Hi, this is Joey. He loved to learn new things. Recently, he started learning about web designing. He went through all the blogs on the internet and read every single book on it, but unable to figure out how to put everything in one place to make something useful that actually he can proud of. But like the many others, he failed and gave up. And that's the time when Mark came by. Mark is his best friend. He showed him a way of success. Mark told him about this great course in which Joey built complete website from scratch. Later, that course made Joey a skillful web designer. Joey learned everything from ground level. He started from the basics of HTML and then he learned some advancement of HTML and then he moved to HTML5 and saw some new features of HTML5 in which he implemented some security techniques on forms creation so that no one on earth can bypass the security of our form using HTML5. And then he learned how can you add audio and video from your own computer to your website using HTML5 new attributes. And then he moved to CSS section and create his own custom style for his website. After learning basics, Joey moved to project session in which Joey built first project as basic website layout, and in second project he created this attractive content transitions in which he implemented every single style that he learned in CSS section. And finally, the wait's over. Joey built this complete website from scratch, in which Joey implemented every single technique that Joey learned in this course. According to modern styling techniques, Joey's instructor Jazib Akram made this amazing course. In this course, Jazib added modern web designing techniques that are necessary for today's web designer. This course is complete package for students because instructor implemented every single techniques that student learned throughout this amazing course. By applying the security restriction on our website, no one can send false information and bypass our security. And the great thing about this course is this course gives Joey skills to make hundreds of websites instead of one web template. This complete course of HTML5 and CSS3 made Joey a happy student. Now, Joey is earning adequate amount every month by making online projects. So, this is the story of Joey. What's yours? Let's write your story next. Enroll in this amazing course now and let's start our journey from nothing to something that you can proud of.